Yeah, take a photo, right? If it didn't happen on the gram, it didn't happen. But we got some top spots in Chicago for you coming right now. Oh, the greeting from Chicago sign. Of course, they got the Bulls, they got the Sox, the Cubs, and the Bears. We're gonna stay warm because it's the Windy City. Listen, Chicago, if you're gonna take an Instagrammable moment, I suggest doing an Insta story. Check this out, come with me, look over here. This is like if I'm on Titanic. Jack, I'll never let you go. I'm still mad at her for that. She let Jack go. Anyway, take a photo. Looking for a one-of-a-kind shot? You gotta come to Lincoln Park Zoo to hang out in, this thing looks like a beehive, but it's actually the Educational Pavilion. And right behind me, as well, is the city skyline. There's a moment you can't miss up. So we're here in the River North neighborhood of Chicago, where there's a lot of luxury shops, eateries, pretty much everything you want to do to have fun. Like take an amazing picture in front of the Flamingo mural. Look at that.
The Eagle has landed.
Oh, kind of feel like you were in space. Woo, like an alien ship? No, more like a dream or like a cloud. Now, a lot of people call us in Chicago the Bean, but it's not. It's all about reflections, seeing the city, the lights, and of course the people. Let me show a few of the people right now, like myself and my producer, Daryl. Can you see us? Do you find us? Hi. Oh, you're looking for that monumental photo? It's not complete without being at Wrigley Field, home of the Chicago Cubs, where your picture is gonna be a home run every time. And if you come to Chicago, come to Navy Pier, and you take a shot right here, because you get the city, nature, and the water all in one. Chicago! Chicago! We hope you enjoyed all of our social media moments, but we want to see yours. Make sure you hashtag LocalNow and @LocalNow on social media so we can see you.